In the lead-up to SERV Robotics reporting its second quarter results on Thursday, August 7th, after market close, it's experiencing significant growth from its improved fleet offerings and expansion into new geographies. Merchant volume has already reached over 1,500. In the first quarter of 2025, SERV Robotics added 250 new third-generation robots, bringing its fleet closer to its goal of 2,000 robots by the end of 2025. These new robots were launched in Los Angeles, Miami, and Dallas, resulting in over 75% growth in delivery volume between the first and last week of the first quarter. The company expects approximately 60 to 75% sequential delivery volume growth in the second quarter. SERV Robotics has expanded its market presence in Los Angeles and entered 2 new markets, Miami and Dallas, partnering with key brands like Shake Shack and Mr. 01. Despite the growth, the company's margins are under pressure due to scale-up costs and expenses related to new market launches. However, this trend is expected to improve as the third-generation fleet is fully deployed and merchant volume growth fuels revenue visibility. In the first quarter, SERV Robotics witnessed a 40% sequential improvement in gross margin, and the company expects meaningful improvements in gross margin in the upcoming period as utilization improves and operating density increases. Although the company's net profit margin is currently negative, the growth in merchant volume and delivery volume is expected to drive revenue growth and potentially lead to incremental profitability prospects. Earlier, SERV Robotics launched its autonomous delivery robots in Atlanta, bringing service to over 50,000 people in the area. The company has partnered with Uber Eats to offer delivery services from popular local eateries, including Real Tacos and Panko Chicken. SERV has been refining its business through its collaboration with Uber Eats, which has been successful in Los Angeles, Miami, and Dallas-Fort Worth. SERV Robotics has designed and developed low-emission robots with a focus on food delivery in the United States. The company has been experiencing strong operational momentum with accelerated robot deployment and deepening city-level penetration. So far, SERV reported strong reception to its Gen 3 models, which have higher cargo capacity and improved battery life. And with a clear path to scale, increasing fleet utilization, and positive early signs of operating leverage, SERV Robotics appears to be capitalizing on the broader shift toward autonomous last-mile delivery across urban markets.